Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to save web pages as PDFs in Edge on Windows 11 or 10. To save a web page as a PDF document through Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10, there is no third-party extension or add-on required. Here is how to do it. First, launch the Edge browser and visit the web page you want to save as a PDF on your computer. Then, press the Ctrl P keyboard shortcut to launch the Print dialog box. From the Printer drop-down, select Save as PDF. Then, click on the Save button. When you're done, it will prompt you to a location where you want to save the PDF. Select the destination folder. Then, write the name of the file. Finally, click on the Save button. Once you have completed the above steps, you will get a PDF document on your PC of the opened web page. You can open this PDF document using the Edge browser or any other PDF reader you would like to use. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, GearUpWindows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.